Denied.
Hey girls, good morning and welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. It's not that great morning for me because I had my periods this morning, and the first day of my periods it's full of pain. I have my back pain, I have my stomach ache, I have cramps, and the whole day goes this gloomy every time the first day is like this. But that has nothing to do with this video. This video is something I decided to make a change. Okay, so I decided to use menstrual cup. So this is in my drawer for like 4 months. So when the lockdown started, that is when I decided to use this. But I'm very much scared to use this. I really don't know. But until and unless you don't try it, you won't understand how it works, right? So I thought, like, Anisha, this is the right time. You have your periods and this is the right time to use it. So I'll be giving this a shot this time, and I'm gonna vlog whole of my experience with this menstrual cup. So there are a lot of girls and there are a lot of my friends who really want to try menstrual cup, but we don't have that much of experience, or we don't know how to use it. We are scared, we are afraid, and we don't have people around us who have really used this. So there is one of my friend, Anagha, who started to use this in the lockdown, and she was like, dude, give this a try. And I was like, okay. And that is when I bought this, and it is still in my drawer. And this time I'm gonna use this for sure. And we all have already read it, right? Ki pads are not that good for the environment. That is the reason menstrual cup has come in, because the pads take, like, one pad takes around 500 to 800 years to degrade, and it's a lot of time. So where in case of menstrual cup, it is really very safe to use. And even the cost for this menstrual cup is around, I bought it for less than 400 for sure. um, so it is, it comes for 399 rupees. I bought this for something around 350 from Amazon. I will be putting the link of the same in the description box, so you can just click on that link, go and buy it. So if you really want to try it now, just buy this, okay? Buy this and keep it in your drawer, and whenever you open it, just look at it. Oh, I want to try it. This is how it worked for me, you know. I really didn't have the courage to pick this up today and try it. Really, I still don't have. I'm still afraid how it's gonna turn out to be. So this is Sirona. So this is Sirona pad free periods menstrual cup. I had opened this to already get that feel. I took the feel, but I kept it back again. So this is the cup. This is how it looks like. There is a pamphlet also. There is a pamphlet where they have mentioned all of it. Then there is this bag where you can just put this and carry it. Also to mention, this comes in 3 sizes: small, medium and large. Small is for 13 to 19 years old. Medium is for like 19 plus till 25 years old, and large is for 25 plus years old people. So I have used medium. Even though I'm 25 plus, I have used medium because it is 25. The large is for someone who has given birth to a child. So I'm 25 plus and I have not given birth to a child. That is why I have opted for medium size. So that is how it varies. So yeah, so now let's go and sanitize this first, and let's start it. So I did not have my bath. I will sanitize this. I will go have my bath, and then I will review it, how my experience was after my bath. So let's go. So just boil the water and add this cup into it. So don't worry, silicone, it's made of silicone, so it won't melt. But still, I will stand here to keep an eye. So I have washed my hands, it's warm by now. So what you need to do is, it's not an educational video, whatever I have seen in the internet, that is what I am telling you guys. So what you need to do is, you need to press it just like this and make a C shape. Okay, yeah, just like this. Okay, I really don't know how it's gonna do. And then you need to insert this and it will make a pop sound. Okay, when it opens it makes a pop sound, and that is when you can be sure that it's inserted properly. I don't know, I'm gonna try this, and let me have my bath and I'm coming back to this video. Yeah, so let's go. So I had my bath, the cup is inside right now, so when I walk I feel it. I feel that there is something inside. I don't know, there is no such pain, but कुछ अजीब feel हो रहा है. So maybe it's like something we need to get used to. Maybe it's normal, but when I inserted it, I didn't get any pop sound. So I am not sure if it's inserted properly. So उसके लिए मैंने एक pad भी लगा दिया है. Like a safer side, I have a pad. If it leaks, then pad is the cover. So I don't know. Till now it's fine. There is a bit of stomachache. That's it. I have. Nothing else as of now, but I'll be updating you guys so this stays, like, you can keep it for 10 hours. So I'll be changing it by night probably, and I will let you know if it leaked or something. And now I'll get back to my work. It's Friday. Guys, a quick update. So it's 2:30 in the afternoon, and I went to washroom like generally, so it has leaked, and I'm glad that I wore a pad as a cover, so nothing was, no awkward situation happened at home, so everything is fine. So I removed it, I have inserted it again. I hope it doesn't leak anymore. Let's see. Hey guys, a quick update on what is happening. So it's 11 right now, and so last update was at 2:30, jahan I had like leaked a bit, and after that till now, like 2:30 to 11, nothing, like there is no leakage, nothing, and I was so happy. सिर्फ उतना ही था कि at the end of the day you just have to remove the cup and you see your blood, and that is the hardest part. Okay, the second hardest part, first is of course to insert it, but the second time I inserted it, it was like fine. It went in very easily, and right now it is inside me, and again I'm wearing a pad so that I don't leak at night, because I'm a very deep sleeper and I will wake up in next day morning only, so I don't want any leakage as such. So let's see, I will update you tomorrow morning. And frankly speaking guys, it's while I was working and all, ऐसा लगा नहीं कि there is something inside, and it was good. It was pretty good. I have noted down few points which I will be putting out in the end of the video as a review as a whole. So stay tuned. I will see you tomorrow morning, and I will update you if there was any leakage or not. So good night for now. Bye. Hey, good morning guys. It's day 2. So I tell you guys, you can understand from my face कि क्या हुआ होगा. So yesterday, you remember yesterday night I just slept with the cup inside me, but today morning there was no leakage at all. So the thing is, like, I do not sleep straight. Okay, I just keep moving here and there, and while using a pad, I'm very sure that next day morning on my shorts or on my pajamas there's gonna be some spots here and there, and that is like something very usual for me, because I don't want to donate my sleep over anything. So that's the thing. So I think it's gonna be a go for me. I don't think it is a go for me. I think it's gonna be a good day. So see you, bye. Okay, so I had just come out, and I was just riding the scooty, but I felt like something is there inside. So of course I will feel that something is there. So cup is there inside, and I will just go home and check if it leaked. But nothing else, nothing like unusual stuff. But everything is fine. So what's up? So it's 11 o'clock, day 2, 11 o'clock at night. The day was amazing. Okay, nothing as such. Like, in the afternoon I had gone out, I came home, I changed. So the cup was inside was at 2 o'clock, and trust me guys, it is 11 o'clock right now, and now I'm removing it. Okay, just 10 minutes ago I removed it, and there was no stains on my pad. There was nothing. Like, the pad was so empty, and I feel so good about it. Like, बहुत अच्छा लगा actually. Satisfying, really satisfying. Almost like 9 hours so almost like 9 hours it was inside, and trust me guys, I really didn't feel like I'm on my periods. uh, Really not, seriously. Like, it is rarely this happens, and I'm so glad. I really was so happy. Also, while removing it now, it was not that difficult, and inserting also, like, it just in one try it just went in. I'm surely gonna talk about what technique worked for me by tomorrow, probably, because it's day 3, and I think flow बहुत कम हो जाएगा by tomorrow. So tomorrow let's sit and talk on how it worked out. So yeah, so that is how it was for me today. The day was pretty good. Everything still, it's a go from my end, and yeah, so I'll see you tomorrow morning. I am very sure, and I hope there won't be any stains tomorrow as well. So yes, good night for today. Bye. Hey guys, good morning. So it's day 3 today, and yesterday night it leaked. Okay, there were like 2 spots on my pad, and that is what I could figure out. I don't know why, but that's fine, I guess. And today, again, looking at the flow which I had yesterday, I don't think it's stopping today. So today also I have inserted it, and it's inside me right now, and I guess it should stop by tomorrow. So my cycle is like 3 to 4 days probably, and then I use these panty liners, and then it's the end. Yeah, finally. So I'll be reviewing about it, and I hope it doesn't spill out today. So let's keep watching. Bye. It's 4th day night time, and I'm done with my periods. Wow, this is a real happiness, right? So that is what I wanted to update you guys, is that in the morning, you know that I had changed my in the cup, and I was using a pad as a cover. So I went out in the morning, I came home, I had bath with the cup inside me, which is like amazing. Like, हम pad use करके we cannot have bath, of course not. So with the cup inside, I had my bath. Then in the evening again I went out. The cup was still inside me, but I was using a pad, but then no leakage. Okay, no leakage, guys. This is the best thing, best. So and now again I have used it, and I don't think there's gonna be any leakage, so I'm not using a pad right now. It's just a cup inside me, and so yes, so tomorrow is the last day. So tomorrow we are gonna review this. Finally, I'm just excited, and I'm just gonna convince you to use it, because it's the best thing. It's the best thing that is happening right now. I swear, trust me guys. Hey guys, you know how excited I am to review this thing. Like, this happiness, I don't know, it is because I completed my periods, and secondly because I completed my periods with this menstrual cup. Like, that is a huge thing for me, guys. You have no idea. So I am from that category of people who are like, I don't want to see that blood, I don't want to feel that pain and all of it. But if you are again from that category, guys, this is a big misconception. There is nothing like this. This can never harm you. So keep this in mind and watch the video till the end. I have a few points that I have noted down, and I want you all to listen, and I want you all to stay till the end of the video. Now, I did a lot of reading and watching a lot of videos before trying this. So I had a bit of idea on how to do this. And also my friend Anaga, she had influenced me to try this because she started in the lockdown. And yes, so this is something I wanted to try in the lockdown because we are home. So there are a lot of brands out there who are selling the menstrual cups, but guys, Sirona is one of the best brands where you get menstrual cups, and that doesn't affect in any bad ways. So there are a lot of people I talked to who had used this and tried this before I bought this. Okay, so there are many other cups which do not have this stem. Okay, please guys, don't buy that. I won't recommend you to buy that. This cup is like good to go. If you want the same one, I will be linking in the description box below. You can go click and just buy it. On Amazon it is just for 225 rupees, and because the sale is going on, so it is the right time to buy it. Now if you are from that category of people who really want to try it but don't have a courage to try it, guys, buy it, look at it, and just use it in the next period cycle when you have it. Because I took it like 3 months. I was just watching and I was like, oh god, oh god, oh god. But no, this time I tried it, and I'm very sure I'm not going back to pads again, never ever. So guys, there are a few points. As I said, let's get into video now. So the first day I told you that so first thing I want to tell you that whenever you use this, please sanitize it before using, and once you're done with the cycle, again sanitize it, and then keep it inside your cupboard. And now not every day I was sanitizing it. I was washing it with warm water once it is used, that's it. I was not sanitizing it every day. The first day it was like what on all the menstrual cup videos you can see that they press it, okay, and then they bend it in a C-shaped fold, and then this C-shaped fold goes inside and it opens up like this with a pop sound. But guys, this really didn't work for me. Like I couldn't like insert the whole stuff, so I tried another technique which really worked for me. If the same C shape doesn't work for you, go for this will surely work. That is just to press it like this. Okay, now you can see it turns like this, and so it looks something like this. Now so it goes inside, and then that's it. So simple it was. I mean, that is really very easy. And when you remove it, now when you pull it, it didn't work for me. Like this really didn't work for me. So do one thing is that you just press here and just pull it out. Simple. So it comes out very easily, it goes in very easily. There is nothing to be scared about. Another thing is, not every time I realize that there is a pop sound I hear. I really did not hear that pop sound every time. So what you can do is just feel that rim. Okay, if it is not inserted properly, there will be some fold like this. Okay, there will be some fold like this, and when you insert, you can feel that fold. So that means it is not inserted properly. What you can do is just press it. Okay, press it like this, and it opens up, and then you can feel the rim. It's in a proper circle, and that's it. I mean, that's it. So when you do this now, it creates a vacuum. Okay, it creates a vacuum and अपने आप वो फुल जाता है. So that is something very easy. So there is nothing to be worried about, like अंदर अटक गया है, it not coming. It will not happen. Just press it. It works out very easily. Now another thing I want to say is that, so while using pad, the whole pad gets filled with blood, okay, and that is like every time you need to change it because it's full of blood. But guys, I was very shocked to see that the whole day, okay, I insert in the morning, I get it out at night, the whole day. See, there's a marking here, this much, that's it. Like, this is the only blood I had in the first day. That's it. And then it reduced. So ये पैड में जो दिखता है ना वो बहुत ज़्यादा दिखता है because there is a cotton and it soaks the blood throughout. But this is a savior. So it was like when I go for passing my urine or you can do potty, everything, because it doesn't come out like that. There is a misconception again that it comes out. It doesn't. It is very go to, like you can do whatever you want to do, but it doesn't come out. So it's good that I didn't even feel like I'm on my periods because of this. Then I want to say is that when you see your blood, it is normal, guys. So the first day, I really looked at it and I was like, oh, blood. So that is how you get used to it, right? First day you will feel like, oh. The second day you will be fine, and third day you will be like, oh, wow, that's okay. So because that is the comfort it is giving us. And when you have the blood inside and when you're pouring it in the toilet bowl, just pour it and flush it, like, because this is a very thick consistency, it can stick to the bowl and it can sting. So flush it off that moment itself. And if you feel that you need some lubricants, it can make it more easy for you. I just used water is the best lubricant. So before getting this inside, you can use water, clean that area. You can clean this as well as in the water, and just go ahead. Nothing, it's very easy, trust me guys, it's very easy. It's like the best thing that can happen to you. Trust me on your periods. So as a whole, I really love this, guys. I am never going back to pads, as I told you. This is something which is very easy to use, and once you understand the technique, this is not at all going to be very difficult. It's just, I guess the second one will work for most of you guys as well. So do try this, and if you are scared with the leakage, just use a pad as I did as a cover, and it gradually we will get used to it. I will practice it for next 2 months, so that when office opens, or if I want to go out somewhere, of course this and this. So guys, Sirona, it's trial and tested. So you can buy it, link in the description box below. And yeah guys, so I hope this video might have helped you, and if you are still in second thought that should I and should I not, I would just say you should. So yes guys, this is all my journey with menstrual cup. I guess I'm not giving up on this. I am waiting for my next period so that I try this again. This is some kind of excitement it's creating in me, So do try at home. So yes guys, do try, and I am very sure you will be satisfied as well. So if you like this video, give it a big fat thumbs up. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you have any queries, let me know in the comment section below, or if you are like, you don't want to ask in public, please connect to me on my Instagram. I am there for you guys. So thank you for watching till the end. Thank you so much. A link in the description box below. Once again, go buy it. I am forcing you to buy it because it's worth it. And that's it guys. Until next time, I'll see you soon. Bye.